that doesn't work. That won't do. Oh, that goes with jeans. Nah. Aw, man. There's gotta be some stuff around here for superhero costumes. Oh, yeah. Found a hat. Now I'm Super Cowboy. Ta-da! Looking good, partner. I still need to find a hat and a cape. How about this for a cape? Too many flowers. Guess you're right. Oh, yeah. Found a great costume for you. What? You're gonna love it. Let me see. It's just your size. No way. I'm not wearing a tutu. What's the matter with you? Look at Barney. Are you gonna wear the tutu, Barney?
Oh, hello.
Hi, Barney.
Well, hi there.
You look pretty silly.
Oh, well, I think I make a lovely ballerina. Oh, it's fun to laugh and laugh. I don't think I can stop. Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho. When you're feeling happy, let it show. Come on. I've got the sillies, and when you get them, you'll be silly like me. I can't stop laughing, as you can see. Whoa, see? Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho. When you get the sillies, let it show. What's it like when you get the giggles? I've got a tickle, it makes me wiggle, makes me jiggle too. Can't hold it in, I just gotta giggle. Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho. I've got a tickle, here I go. Ha ha ha, hee hee hee. Come on, get silly and laugh with me. Giggle, gaggle, wiggle, waggle, ho ho ho. When you're feeling happy.
Feeling happy.
When you've got the sillies.
Got the sillies.
When you've got a tickle.
Got a tickle.
Let's it's show. Oh my, oh boy. It's ticklish.
Hi, Barney. Hi, guys.
Hi, Tracy.
Can you help me with something? I've got a problem. A major problem.
Oh, what's wrong?
I've got to find a bird of paradise for the school party, and I don't even know what one looks like. Bird of paradise, huh? I know all about them. You do? Oh, yeah. They're very rare birds. You can only find them in Hawaii. How do you know that? I read a lot of books, so I know a lot of stuff. Are you sure about this, Ben? Sure, I'm sure. I think.
Well, Ben, birds of paradise are found in Hawaii, but they...
Oh, no, that is a really major problem. How am I going to get to Hawaii? You're going to need an airplane or a boat.
Or you can use your imagination. Whoa!
Barney's travel book! We're going to take a trip. To Hawaii? Oh, yeah. Right, Barney?
Oh, well, that's right. Who wants to go?
I do. I do. Me too.
Oh, then let's get going. There are so many places we can go. There's just so much to see. If we use our imaginations, we can be anywhere we want to be. Now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Meet a friend or two, that's what we'll do. And learn how they live each day. We're going to travel around this great big world in a new and exciting way. Okay, now here we go again. We're traveling. There's a great big world to see. We're gonna have fun, you know. Everywhere we go, a new adventure for you and me. Oh, here we are. Welcome to beautiful Hawaii.
Oh, I always wanted to come here. What'd you bring all that stuff for? So I can catch a bird of paradise. Hey, what's that white stuff on your nose? It keeps me from getting sunburned. Hey guys, a rainbow.
Well, look at that. Hawaii is sometimes called the land of rainbows because you see so many here.
Why is that?
Oh, because it usually rains every day for a few minutes, and then it gets sunny again.
That's what makes a rainbow? Yeah. Rainbows appear when there's sunshine and rain.
Well, right, Rusty. And rainbows have many beautiful colors. Do you know what colors are in a rainbow? Oh, I like red. It's the color of an apple. Orange. It's the color of an orange. Yellow. It's a lemon and our wonderful sun. Green. It's the color of trees and lots of things that grow. And then there's blue for the sky. And purple, that's a color that's fun. And when we put those colors side by side, now what do you think we've done? We've made a rainbow, and it's a really beautiful one. Oh, I like red. It's the color of an apple. Orange. It's the color of an orange. Yellow. It's a lemon and a wonderful sun. Green. It's the color of trees and lots of things that grow. And then there's blue for the sky. And purple, that's a color that's fun. And when we put those colors side by side, now what do you think we've done? We've made a rainbow. We've made a rainbow. We've made a rainbow. And it's a really beautiful one.
Okay, everybody, let's find this bird of paradise. It's gonna be tall, sort of skinny, kind of yellow-green with blue polka dot wings. Blue polka dot wings? Are you sure about this, Ben? Rusty? Sure, I'm sure. But I don't see any birds like that. I told you, they're rare. Keep your eyes open, okay? Okay. Okay, but where'd Barney go?
Oh, well, here I am. Oh, and look what I found.
A pineapple.
Uh-huh.
Where'd you get it?
Oh, I found it back there. Hawaii is famous for its delicious pineapples.
Cool. It's kind of heavy. Sweet.
Oh, and look, there's the ocean and the sandy beach.
Oh, yeah, the beach looks cool.
Oh, I love the beach.
Whoa, water as far as you can see.
That's because Hawaii is an island. It has water all around it. Oh, very far away from the homes we know is a very sunny place where it's fun to go. You can't get here with a car or train, but when you look around, you'll be glad you came. This place is called an island and it's plain to see. It's got an ocean and a beach and greenery. Imagine all the fun things that we'll find out as we see what an island is all about. It's a little bit of ground with water all around, a mountain in the middle and a jungly sound, birds and a breeze in the coconut trees. That's what an island is. Oh,
You can gab with the crab who lives in the sand, or wave to a butterfly as big as your hand. And if you get hungry for a tasty meal, there are bunches of bananas that have a peel.
it's a little bit of ground with water all around, a mountain in the middle and a jungly sound, birds and a breeze in the coconut trees. That's what an island is. Oh yeah, that's what an island is. Oh, that's what an island is. Oh,
Come on, guys, let's see what we can find over here.
oh, okay, let's go.
Hey, look! I found a feather. And it has a blue polka dot. Do you think it's from a bird of paradise, Barney?
Actually,
Sure it is.
Well, come on, everybody. Let's keep looking around. Oh, there's no telling what we'll find here in Hawaii.
Whoa. I wonder what that is. Awesome, right? What is that? Oh, hey, Ben. May I use your binoculars, please? Sure. Thank you. Let's see. Whoa! Cool. What are you doing? Look up in the trees. You're not gonna find a bird in the water. Maybe not, but there's something out there. Let me see. Wait, I'm not done.
Oh, well, that's one way to share.
I see them. They're dolphins. Incredible. I want to see. Wait, hold on. I'm not through. Oh, yeah. And look, there's a whale.
Dolphins and whales and lots of amazing fish live in the waters around Hawaii. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in the water? If I lived under the sea, I think it would be neat as it could be, baby. I could visit all the fish anytime I wish. If I lived under the sea,
I could ride on the tail of a great big whale. Wow, that would be great. I could count the legs on an octopus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
if I lived under the sea, I think it would be neat as it could be, baby. I could visit all the fish anytime I wish. If I lived under the sea.
It would be so new to watch a tuna talking with an itty-bitty snail. Or to see the pretty fin on the back of a fish who carries his very own sail.
If I lived under the sea, I think it would be neat as it could be, baby. I could visit all the fish anytime I wish. If I lived under the sea, I could visit all the fish anytime I wish. If I lived under, if I lived under, if I lived under the sea. Whoa.
Barney, aloha.
Oh, aloha, Lana.
Aloha, Barney.
Oh, aloha, JD. Aloha is a way of saying hello and goodbye in Hawaii,
And it also means love.
which makes aloha one of my favorite words.
Barney, I am so glad you're here.
Oh.
We're getting ready for luau. Would you like to come?
Yeah, will you join us? What's a luau?
Oh, it's a very fun Hawaiian celebration.
I'd love to go, but see, I have a major problem. What is it?
What's wrong?
I have to find a bird of paradise.
Oh, don't worry. Birds of paradise are very common in Hawaii.
Yeah, we'll get you in at the luau. Come on. That's great. Okay, yeah. Awesome.
Okay.
See, told you I'd get you that bird.
Thank you for my flower lei.
You're welcome, Barney. The giving of a lei is a very old tradition in Hawaii.
It's also a very special symbol of friendship.
A lei can be made of flowers, or leaves, or seeds, or shells, or everything on the table. Would you like to make one of your own? Yeah,
Oh, boy.
like these.
First, you grab a needle with a string and tie a knot at the end of it, like this.
Wow.
These are cool. Like this?
That's right.
Now put a flower on the string and push it down to the knot. The flowers feel so soft.
Very good, Tracy.
I'm gonna use the red ones. These are cool.
Oh, looking good.
Once you have your flower on, get a little piece of one of these straws and thread it onto your string.
I like making things.
Me too. Now, just take turns putting on your flower and your straw until you fill up the entire string. I like your red one, Rusty. Thanks. I like the colors you used. Do you like mine, Barney?
Oh, let me see. Oh, nice.
These are cool.
Make sure you don't push too hard or else the flowers will come off the end.
Yours looks great. Thanks. The flowers are so soft. Hey, Barney, look at mine.
Oh, it looks terrific.
I want to make another one. I'm almost finished.
Oh, your leis are looking great with the beautiful Hawaiian flowers.
Thank you, Barney.
Oh, what kind of flowers do you have where you live? Roses are red, violets are blue. Can you name a flower that is special to you? Marigolds, tulips, and daisies could be just some of the flowers that we all might see. Flowers, there's so many of them. Flowers growing in the sun. Flowers, find them everywhere. Flowers can be so much fun. Let's all stop and smell the flowers today. They all smell great in a wonderful way. Jasmine, honeysuckle, lavender too. I'll put them in a vase and give them to you. Flowers, there's so many of them. Flowers growing in the sun. Flowers, find them everywhere. Flowers can be so much. Flowers, there's so many of them. Flowers growing in the sun. Flowers, find them everywhere. Flowers can be so much fun.
Thank you.
Your leis look stupendous.
Thanks. Mahalo.
That's the Hawaiian word for thank you.
Now, JD and I have a special surprise for you. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Barney, I still haven't found my bird of paradise.
Oh, don't worry. I'm sure you'll find one. I think Ben and Rusty are looking for one right now.
Ben, I don't think we're looking for the right thing. I see one! Where? There, up in the tree, see? No. It's starting to move. I'm gonna catch it with my net. Where? There, up in the tree. Oh, ah, I'm stepping on my foot. Watch out, here it comes. Thanks a lot, dude. Oh, man, I thought I had the bird. Where did it go? Here it is, I got it. You got a coconut. Oh, I thought it was a bird of paradise. Come on, we better get back. It's getting late. You made me let it get away. Yeah, you had to let it like here. Did you find the bird? We almost had one. Ben, we found a coconut. Yeah.
Everyone, this is Maylee.
Aloha.
Aloha.
She's gonna teach us how to hula dance.
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, how I love the hula.
Very good, Barney.
Oh, thanks.
A hula is a kind of dance that tells a story. For our hula, I brought a grass skirt for everyone to wear.
A skirt? Are you gonna wear one, Barney?
Oh, of course. Grass skirts are worn by men and women in Hawaii. Long ago, they were worn by mighty chiefs.
Oh, okay. It's a cheap thing, Rusty. Okay. This is great.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
I like this.
Now to begin, I'd like to teach you some hand motions to our hula song.
Okay.
Okay, this is the motion for an island in the sea. Very good. Now do this when you hear the word me and you. Good. And these are the clouds in the rainbow sky.
Aw.
Nice. And here's how we hula in the morning. Other side. And hula in the afternoon. One hand. Okay, and here's how we show the waves of the ocean. And in the center. Next, you're going to hear a very big word. Humu humu nuku nuku apua'a. And that means the fish with the pig snout.
A pig snout.
And here's our fish. Good. One more thing. When you hear the word mountain in the song, do this with your hands.
Okay.
Good. And that's all we need for our hula song.
Great.
Barney, will you please play the ukulele and sing the words for our song?
Oh, I'd be delighted.
Great.
Well, thank you. And you can hula with us. Come on. There's an island in the sea that is calling to me and you, where the clouds drift by in a rainbow sky. It's true. There we can hula in the morning, hula all afternoon, dancing by the ocean, oh so blue. We'll watch the humu humu nuku nuku apua swim by. Well, all right. Climb mountains so green like you've never seen, my oh my. And we can hula in the morning, we can hula all afternoon, dancing by the ocean, oh so blue. Or we can hula in the evening, by the light of the tropical moon, dancing by the ocean, oh so blue. Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Great. So much
Dancing there.
You are all very good hula dancers.
Well, thank you.
Aloha, everyone.
Hello.
Bye. Oh, Barney, it's getting late and I still haven't found my bird of paradise.
Take it easy, Tracy. I'm gonna find you one.
But just look around. They're everywhere.
There's some right there.
I don't see any. Me either. No birds here.
That's because the bird of paradise is a flower.
Here you go, my friend.
Oh, it's a beautiful flower. And it does look like a bird. That's a bird of paradise? What about this feather I found? Actually, it looks like it came from a peacock.
A
peacock?
Yes, that's right. Many peacocks live wild on our islands.
Oh, that's right. And this pretty orange flower is the bird of paradise Tracy needs for her party.
Are you sure, Barney?
Sure, I'm sure.
Ben, you are so busted. My bad, honest mistake. What matters is that we found one. Mahalo, everyone.
Oh.
Thank you, friends, for all your help.
Well, that's what friends are for. Friends are special, so important, they make the world go round.
We like helping one another in school or on the playground.
Friends are there to help each other when one is feeling sad.
Being friends is very special. Be a friend and you'll be glad. Oh, yes, you will. Silly. Friends are special, so important, they make the world go round. We like helping one another in school or on the playground. Friends are there to help each other when one is feeling sad. Being friends is very special. Be a friend and you'll be glad. Being friends is very special. Be a friend and you'll be glad. Yes, you will.
A bird of paradise isn't really a bird. I guess I didn't know that. Well, I gotta admit, you almost had me fooled with the coconut. Oh, man.
Don't worry, Ben. We're all learning new things every day, even when we're grown up. And the best way to learn is with the friends we love. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? And as the moon shines bright, it's time for us to say goodbye.
I can't wait to take my bird of paradise to school. Mahalo, Lana and JD. Aloha.
Oh, bye-bye.
Bye.
See you soon.
Aloha, Barney.
Mahalo.
I had a great time. Oh, yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, great trip, Barney. Yeah, mahalo. Thanks.
Thank
Come
you.
on, guys. Let's go show everyone my bird of paradise. Okay. Bye,
Aloha. See you soon. Bye now.
And Barney? Oh, aloha, Barney. I love you.